Hi guys, welcome the videos. How to fix you can install Windows on the disk. Here we enter the process of installing Windows. This PC had the error I am solving in the video. You just hack out the following. Press the following keys. Now write this bar and enter press. Okay, press enter. This bar. Press enter. Write this pardon me, and press enter. Okay, this. Select partition. Okay, in my case it's number 0 and press enter. Now write clean and press enter keys. Okay, write exit and press enter and close Windows. Okay, now we can delete and create partition. New partition and next. Nice.